In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share custom charts in Jira using Dashboard Hub Pro by AppFire. Whether you're looking to visualize your project data through pie charts, bar graphs, or tile layouts, this tool offers you the flexibility to craft exactly what you need. Plus, with features like cross-project dashboards and advanced sharing options, Dashboard Hub Pro can elevate the way you deliver insights. Before we dive into the creation of custom charts, it's important to ensure that Dashboard Hub Pro is installed on your system. If it's not already set up, you'll need your Jira administrator to install Dashboard Hub Pro, Charts, Reports, Time and Status, Tables, from the Atlassian Marketplace. This setup is crucial as it lays the foundation for all the enhanced functionalities you'll be using in this session. Let's kick things off by navigating to your Jira dashboard. This is your central hub, and where all the magic happens. Make sure you have edit permissions, as these are necessary to add gadgets to your dashboard. Once you've confirmed this, click on the Edit button on your dashboard. Next, hit the Add Gadget button. You'll encounter a selection or search box here. Go ahead and search for Jira Custom Charts, or you might find it under Dashboard Hub Custom Chart Gadget. Once it pops up, simply select it and add it to your dashboard. This is your first step toward creating a dynamic visualization for your data. Once the gadget is in place, the next phase is configuring your chart. Start by determining which issues or data you want to highlight. You can choose a filter or write a JQL query. This query enables you to capture exactly the information you wish to display. Then, choose the view type. Perhaps you prefer a pie chart to show project distribution or a bar chart for milestone comparisons. Maybe a line chart fits your trend analysis, or a tile chart or table is what you need. The choice is yours. Now, it's time to decide on the aggregation method. You can select options such as the count of issues, or sum, min, or max for numeric fields. If your gadget supports it, you might also consider the time and status metric to assess how long issues remain in specific statuses. This step is essential as it determines how the data will be measured and presented. With your data input set, adjust the display settings, bringing your chart's design to life. Tweak the title, colors, and axes according to what the gadget allows and what best fits your visual requirements. These elements not only improve the aesthetic, but also enhance clarity for better communication of data. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Save or Update to apply the gadget to your dashboard. Your custom chart is now live, presenting real-time data based on the filter or JQL you've applied. Congratulations on presenting your data with clarity and impact.